Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Hey, hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Avrel and this is Home with a Naturalista. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. I truly appreciate it. And I know it's been quite a while since I've made a cleaning video, and I apologize about that to all my cleaning video watchers. But yeah, I went ahead and did a deep clean. Basically, it's been a while. When I recorded this video, it was quite a while that I've cleaned. So yeah, I was Lysoling everything down. I have to say, since COVID, my cleaning routine kind of changed. I'm taking a lot more advantage with those Lysol cans that I usually have stocked somewhere in the linen closet, as well as using some Lysol wipes to wipe this down and that. Now, normally, I usually do use the Lysol spray on, like, as you can see, the pillows and stuff, but I have to say that I'm heavier on the hand, and I don't know if that's safe, so yeah. But go ahead and comment down below and let me know, since, you know, Corona or COVID-19 has come about, have your cleaning routine changed at all? Has it influenced you to use products that you probably never did use, or what? Comment down below, let me know. I know my routine kind of changed here and there, but I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick intro. I wanted to go ahead and remove all the dark colors, especially because I had like black comforter on and things of that sort, and just kind of brighten up our room. I've realized that I am so over the gray end tables and the gray rug. Like, I'm so grayed out in this room, and I told Babe recently that yeah, I need to like get new lamps and try to spruce up the bedroom basically. Thank God for that little lounge area with the yellow chairs, that helps. But later on in the video, you kind of will notice in some parts that I kind of changed the way I record. So if you notice, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you think I did different. Yeah, so I tried something different, and if it's something that's liked, I will continue on because it was kind of fun. It's always fun for some different changes, right? Does that make sense? I don't know. But anyway, so I don't want to talk your head off because I know you came here for cleaning, and I truly appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Please don't forget to like. Go ahead and comment. I will go ahead and continue on cleaning. I will try to stay consistent with the cleaning. It's not that I'm not cleaning my house because I'm not posting a video, but I have to say I got a bit lazy because when you're cleaning, it is so much harder to record because it adds more time, but I am willing to do a lot more. So go ahead, if you like this video, I will definitely use that to know that I need to make more videos like this. But thank you guys so much for watching again. I hope this is some form of motivation for you. I truly enjoyed making it, and the house felt amazing at the end. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Y'all, so I just wanted to jump back on here and just let you guys know, just wanted to put a disclaimer out there because I would hate for anyone to think that I'm nasty. But I did buy a pack of those microfiber light blue cloths. I have several, and I have about 4 specifically for the sink, and then I have another 4 for the toilet. Please do not think I'm using the same cloth for the sink that we brush our teeth and all that stuff with the nasty, dirty toilet. That's disgusting and gross. So I just wanted to go ahead and put that disclaimer out there. Guys, please don't think it's okay to use the same cloth for every part in the bathroom. That's nasty. Okay? All right, keep watching. All right, y'all, so in this part, I'm just gonna show you real quick a little household remedy, if that's what I can call it, I guess, of mixing some dishwashing liquid and a little bit of vinegar for the actual the shower doors in our master bath. It works like a charm. Like, I kid you not. I did put too much vinegar because that thing is strong, so be careful with that. But you're gonna go ahead and see how clean the doors are going to turn out once I do this. So yes, keep in mind, again, as I said, don't use too much vinegar like I did, but it works like a charm. Okay? Thank me later. laundry, laundry, laundry. Oh, how I love you. Guys, yeah, I mean, I don't think this is something I'll ever enjoy. I think this is probably the least liked chore or whatever, household duty, whatever you want to call it. I really do not like folding laundry. Like, I will have clothes in the laundry basket for days, on top of days. And I think it's because of this video why I haven't folded those, so yeah. And now we're putting it in the closet. So much fun. Comment down below. Let me know what your least favorite household duty, chore, whatever is for you. Laundry's for me, for sure. And then dishes is second after that. Don't like it. All right, y'all, so we are finally done. If only I can actually clean a whole house in 15 minutes like this video. Boy, oh boy, I'll be making millions, okay? But yeah, thank God for technology, huh? But as you can see, I am done. The house felt so amazing. I apologize for this video to only be covering the hallway, the laundry, the master bedroom, and the master bathroom. I think my last cleaning video also just covered that part of the house. But go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you would like to see the kitchen as well as the other bathroom and stuff like that. Like, does it matter as to where I do it? Help me out, y'all. Help me out. Look at those doors, though. Like, that dishwashing liquid and vinegar is the truth. Thank me later, y'all. Come back and let me know if you tried it and how it turned out. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.